In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 5th of January 2022, and the day would be Wednesday. And I have been absent for a few long time now, for maybe more than a week because of some personal reasons. And Happy New Year to all, and I hope this year you make a very good profit and live a very happy and prosperous life. So let's look on to Nifty. Nifty, after falling, it has been volatile the entire December month, and I said that it is going to be volatile between 17,400 on the upside and 16,800 on the downside. And the December month was majorly between this level. Sometimes it broke down, but most of the time and on the closing basis it was between that range only. Now it has given a breakout above 17,600 and closed at 17,800, which is a very good resistance level. Now above that 18,000 level is the only resistance that, and is also a round level, so there can be some good resistance at this level and sell off may come. Now if we look at this Fibonacci, then you can see that it has crossed 61.8%. And let me tell you one advance point, that whenever 61.8% retracement level is taken out, that means it has reversed. So reversal has happened. So if it was a retracement, then it would have not crossed this level. So that is one thing. Now 18,000, and based on Fibonacci 18,120 level is going to act as a strong resistance. So if tomorrow now it has made a very good candle and it has crossed this level, and when it crossed this level, and then it has continuously made green candles. So this way price doesn't generally go up, it should halt a bit and then may go up. So tomorrow we can expect to be some volatility. So if it opens anywhere flat in this level, then it can continue its up move till 17,920 level on the upside. So as soon as it crosses this level, we can buy with 20-30 point stop loss, and our target would be 17,920, or we can target twice of our stop loss. So maybe 60 point we can target on the intraday. But if it comes down, then also what we can do is that if it comes down, we can sell with 20 point to 30 point stop loss, and our target would be this level. It's 17,740, these levels. So we are targeting 40 point on the downside, and we are targeting 60 point on the upside. So we are not planning a much big move. So tomorrow market seems to be volatile. Now, and if it opens with a gap up or gap down, then we will get price action for our next moves. Now let's look at Banknifty. Now Banknifty has been a down performer, but it fell and it has kind of made a double bottom and reversed from them. So that target on the upside is done. So that target on the upside is done, and it closed well above it. So the next thing that we need to look for is 37,500 level and 38 level in the coming days, but 35,000 is going to be the strongest resistance, which is around 900 point up from here. So it has potential of going above 900 point from here, and February is a budget. So the pre-budget rally, we can observe the pre-budget rally which has started, and so from here the market, especially banks, will go up, and we can expect 38,500 level to come by the end of January. That is my prediction. I don't know what So you can see that though Bank Nifty is a weak performer, but still if you take the last major fall, you can see that Bank Nifty, though Nifty has crossed 61.8%, but Bank Nifty hasn't yet crossed 38.2%. So what we can say is that Bank Nifty is retracing while Nifty is rallying. So this is not a rally. Now 37,900 is going to act as a strong resistance, and 38,800, this is 61.8%. So if it crosses this level, then only near 39,000 if it comes, then only we can say that the retracement period is over. So 50% retracement is done, 50% correction is complete, and let's see if any bad news doesn't come. So I think Bank Nifty will slowly try to go up from here. So if we go in 15-minute chart, you can see that Bank Nifty is kind of made a double top formation. So if it opens anywhere flat and goes up, we will buy with 50 to 60 point stop loss. I'm talking about the futures, and our target would be about 120 point on the upside. So that is what we can do tomorrow. But if it starts coming down and breaks this level of 36,800, then we can sell, keeping a 55 point stop loss, and our target would be about 110 to 120 point on the downside. So that is our plan, and I think tomorrow Bank Nifty is also going to be volatile, or it can go positive. The chance of negativity is low at this moment, unless it opens gap up or gap down. In that case, we will look for price action and we will build our trade. But 37,000 is going to act as a strong resistance, and 36,800, 36,600 is going to act as strong support. So Bank Nifty is expected to trade between 37,000 and 36,600 in tomorrow's trading session. So now let's look at chart. And today in Telegram, whenever the breakout happened, you can see the 9:15, this breakout happened and then it retested. This breakout, it happened and then it retested, and then it fell and then again crossed. So it is kind of, I can say, Bank Nifty is volatile. It is not positive as of yet. And in Telegram, whenever on today morning, whenever it crossed this level, at this candle, I gave 36,700 call to buy for around 277. I mentioned in my Telegram channel, and if you are not in the Telegram channel, you can click on the link in the description below and join the channel. It's free of cost. And if you want to join the premium channel, then all you need to do is open an Upstox account with us, with our referral. That link is also given in the description below. So, and it went maybe at, I don't know, 360 we covered. I also took the trade, and I personally bought at 277 and squared over 360, which is around 1:2 target, and that what we did today. So these small things will make money. So let's look at the stocks now. The first stock is State Bank of India. Now you can see similar kind of pattern in like a Bank Nifty. So this target on the upside is already done, and now if it crosses, if Bank Nifty is positive, then we can see this 490, 500 level to come once again. So that's what we are aiming at. So if SBI crosses 485, we are going to buy SBI, keeping 4 points stop loss, and our target would be 8 point on the upside. The next stock is Reliance. Now Reliance, you can see it is nearing a major resistance of 2480. So even if it falls, then it may cross and come down from there. So this target can be achieved, and that's what we are looking for, as it has made a fantastic recovery, and chances are that if market is positive, Reliance will be positive. So about 2461, we are going to buy Reliance, keeping a 5 to 8 point stop loss, and 15-16 point will be our target on the upside. The exact level will be provided on the Instagram tomorrow morning, and the link is also given in the description below. You can follow the Instagram. The next stock is Cadila Healthcare. You can see today all the pharma stocks are down. Most of the pharma stocks are down. So the market is going up and the pharma sectors are going down. That could signal good in terms of this corona news or fear that are coming. So this is a good sign that pharma stocks are coming down while the rest of the market is rallying. So you can see it made top right here and then fell, and the fall continues. And if the fall continues, then if it crosses, then we are going to sell. And below 464, another leg of the fall can come in Cadila Healthcare. So below 464, we are going to sell, keeping a 3 to 4 point stop loss, and 7 to 8 point will be our target on the downside. So that is the 1:2 ratio. The next stock is BPCL, and you can see that from this point it is making a lower high and lower low. And that portion is still going as it making a lower low, and then it tries to go up, established a lower low, and from there a negative candle. So if this high is crossed, then we can see some further up move or kind of a double bottom formation, but that is not the case here. Here the case is that it is making a lower top and a negative candle has formed. So if it comes down, then we are going to sell. So below 384 we can sell, keeping a 3 to 4 point stop loss, and 8 point will be our target on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.